The new reality. Let's talk about it. To every managing partner, lawyer that's feeling the friction right now, the friction is real. And that friction is the pain of the billable hour is dead. Yeah, I said it. Matter of fact, I wrote a book about it on Amazon. Billable hours are dead. And we're going to talk a little bit about why and what you can do about it as a managing partner, lawyer, law firm. But first, let's not get ahead of ourselves. You and I don't mean it's going to happen slowly. No, with generative AI, billable hours are dead. It's dead structurally, philosophically, and economically. It's defunct. Your clients know it. Your junior associates know it. And deep down, you know it as well. The future of law is not about time. It's about guaranteed value and predictable outcomes. The law firms who master this will dominate the market for the next 10 years. Those who don't will follow behind and pick up the breadcrumbs. Why can I say this? Who am I? I've lived in every corner of the legal ecosystem, from a paralegal, seeing the system's inner workings, day to day, in and out. I spent years as a union negotiator and representative, where value and outcome were the only measures that mattered. Not only that, I'm a certified mediator, sitting at the table, trained to see through positional bargaining and align incentives towards fair resolutions. Lastly, I provided court reports to judges in the civil, criminal, and family law. I've delivered raw, objective data that forms the very foundation of judicial decisions. I have seen with clarity what separates a process that delivers true value from one that just burns time and budgets. My credibility is not from theory. It's from the objective eye inside the courtroom, the negotiator at the table, and the analyst behind the paperwork. However, the challenge and solution. Here's the blunt reality. The moment a new AI can draft a contract or summarize a discovery set in 10 minutes instead of 10 hours, that billable hour line has gone from a positive asset to a liability. Your clients are already asking and demanding transparency, efficiency, and predictability. They're asking or are getting ready to ask you, if you use the AI, why am I paying you for 10 hours of human labor? This is not a technology problem. Oh no, it is a fundamental business model problem. And this is where we come in. My organization, the M Series, and our AI consultants specialize not only in solving this billable hours problem, but the other problems you have that you don't even know you have, but you keep hearing about it, particularly lack of a firewall around your expertise in your law firm with your own custom GPT. But I'm getting ahead of myself. The path forward and a call to action. Why you need to call us. Because we don't just consult. We transition your firm. We provide the modern framework so you can lead for the next 10 years. One, we define price and value. What does that mean? Moving your service offerings from vague hourly estimates to clear, guaranteed outcome-based pricing. Two, leverage AI for profit. When have you ever heard that? For profit, not loss. Integrating AI not as a threat to your hours, but as the engine that drives your profitability and efficiency under a fixed fee model. Lastly, secure the modern client. Position your firm as the transparent, high-value partner that the market is now demanding. Lawyers and law firms, the transition to value is not optional. No, sir. But your firm's success depends on whether you lead this charge or are forced to follow it. So please, reach out, call us for a quick assessment that we can kind of evaluate where you are, where you want to be, and what you need right now, and get the outcomes, the measurable outcomes you need to be that law firm that is the value add law firm. The value first law firm. Sounds good. Going forward in this new age of AI. Thank you and look forward to talking with you. Have a great day.